Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, February the 15th, 2022. Here in this additional with 9 extra puzzles, I've already solved 3 puzzles. The Sudoku with 3 stars, the 4 stars, and the binary puzzle. 2 puzzles are left, the Tectonic one and the Killer Sudoku, a.k.a. Sudoku Mix. But first, we will solve this baby. Tectonic number 4131. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones, a 4 stars puzzle, the hard ones, has always 8, 9, 10, or 11 printed digits. This one has 16. So I think, but I cannot tell. Should be an easy one. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. All right. So let's get started. First question to you. Can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see 2 single boxes. Single box always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes in this puzzle? Dual boxes. I cannot see any dual boxes. I see a triple box here. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, we see here 1, so no 1 there. So the 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Yeah, the 3 is already filled in. And when you see a triple box, remember the box, the middle box, the box near the middle box. This box can only be 4 or 5. Okay. Triple box, more triple boxes here. No. Quadra boxes then. I see here only 1 quadra box. Well, this box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other boxes could be every number. And I see here also a quadra box in an L shape. When you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember the inside box. This is the inside box here and there. This box, the inside box is always a 5. Okay. Quadra box, more quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. More T shapes here? No. Then the following shape. Let me scan. This shape. How about this shape? Okay, this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. More. Here, another one. Rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Then the following shape. Do we have more other shapes? That's the question. Only 2 here. I cannot believe this. Yeah, only 2. There are more shapes, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 shapes or figures that you need to recognize. Maximum, there are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, only 2. Why you need to recognize? Because then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be here. Those 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4, should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4, can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5, yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 2 here, because we already have double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be there, and a 5 goes here. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 2 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 5. The other pair in this area should be numbers 4 and 3. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be here. That means that box cannot be a 3, because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked this box with a 4 or a 5. Now we have a 5 here. This cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 2. Let me mark those. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. That means that box cannot be a 2. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So, it's not the solution to place the 2 there. The 2 should be here. Okay. Then. This box cannot be a 3, because we have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. That means that box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution to place the 3 there. The 3 supposed to be there. Okay. Then. Let me see. This box can be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Wait. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be a 1, should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and a 3. Well, I cannot place the 1 here, because we have double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 1. Okay. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. And this box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Can be 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be a 2, you have a double 2 there, can be a 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, you have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. Okay, then. Yeah, I'm thinking. How about these two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The 1 supposed to be here. Okay, 2 numbers left. The 4 and the 5 are missing. Yeah, let me place the 4 and the 5. Here, 4 and the 5. Okay. Yeah. 1. Okay. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. That means that box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. Alright. These two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left. In this area for the numbers 3 and 1, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 2. Okay. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These two boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Okay, 1 box left in this area for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Then these two boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that if this is a 5, if this box is a 5, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. But we already have a 5 there. So it's not a solution to place the 5 here. The 5 supposed to be there. These two boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left. In this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be 4? That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2. The other pair in this W area shape should be for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then. Well, this box cannot be a 1. This box can also not be a 2. We have a double 1 and a double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. Okay, as a pair. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for the number 5. Oh, alright. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. And 1 box left in this W area shape for number 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finishing 40 minutes. Told you, not a 4 stars. Not a 3 stars. Not a 2 stars. Let me give this a 1 star. 1 indication of the difficulty level. Publisher, we need more difficult ones, yes. Diabolic ones, yes. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute. If, by the way, if you like this one, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Well, thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic, no, a killer Sudoku it will be. So see you in a few seconds. See you then, bye bye for now.